Entering one of the most powerful na gaming phones for 2025. In fact, patapos na ang 2025. This is the Redmagic 11 Pro. Sobrang lakas nitong smartphone nito dahil it has the latest na processor na meron ni Qualcomm Snapdragon. And sa sobrang ganda niya, it has also improved its cooling technology, which malalaman nyo inside this video. I'm pretty sure matutuwa kayo dito sa phone na ito. Ayoko na mag-spoil lang sobrang dami, so pag-usapan natin right after this quick intro. So ito yung bagong packaging ni Redmagic dito sa 11 Pro, and color gray ang kanyang texture ng kanyang box. Nakasulat dito Redmagic and win more games. So bubuksan na natin. And by the way guys, hawak ko is a 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage, and I have here is the Night Freeze variant. Meron siyang tatlong variant which pakita ko sa inyo later. So we have a small pouch here, SIM ejector tool, kanyang case na frosted, more of smoke black siya. Then we have the phone. We have a 80 watts na fast charging brick dito, and we have a C2C cable. So, eto na yung phone. It looks really nice and it comes in 3 variant. Meron siyang cryo, yung kanyang pinaka-base. Night freeze, ito yung hawak ko. And meron pa siyang sub-zero. And by the way guys, wala pa akong presyo nito. So, abangan ninyo. I'll be posting the link on the description box below. Or just simply click yung icon na biglang bang pop-up out dito sa screen para makuha nyo from the official source ng Redmagic. So, don't forget to subscribe para makita ninyo. Now, one thing that I like dito sa kanya is yung kanyang design. It has improved over from the Redmagic 10 series, which medyo nag-revamp siya ng kanyang design. Medyo nabawasan konti ang kanyang pagka-transparent na design compared sa 10 series. Pero one thing for sure is nandito ang logo ng Qualcomm Snapdragon. And this time around, it's a 8 Elite Gen 5. Umiilaw pa rin to ng blue and yung kanyang fan. And here's the new design. Pag once na pumasok ko sa isang game, tatakbo na siya. Kita nyo guys, umiikot. Ito yung bago nilang liquid cooling system. Ito yung pinaka-world's first na mass-produced na smartphone with AI server-grade liquid cooling system. Makikita mo lang to sa Night Freeze and sa Sub-Zero version. These are basically mga coolant na umiikot sa loob ng iyong system, pampalamig ng iyong phone while you're playing games. Yung kanyang fan is industry's fastest at 24,000 RPM. And yung kanyang camera dito, walang bump, walang ring, and it's just flat out, totally. So, iwas talaga siya ng scratch. Andito pa rin kanyang magic key to call out your game mode. And of course, dito pa rin ang iyong air triggers. Para sa mga enthusiasts, ayan, audio jack, andyan pa. Overall, ang kanyang design is pretty solid and wala pa rin siyang camera bump dito. So, meaning, full screen ang Redmagic 11 Pro. Now, if you want to know the complete specs ito phone nito, ito na. Now, like I said kanina sa intro, that this is one of the most powerful phone na nahawakan ko for 2025, and this one comes together with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Pinakamalakas na ito, and probably looking forward, most of the flagship would use itong chip na ito from Qualcomm. On day-to-day tasks, maning-mani na lang, no? Doing all of the multitask dito sa phone na ito, doing some quick video edits, playing some games, and even generating some videos dito on AI. In fact, almost 4 million points na kuha ko dito sa Antutu benchmark version 11. And we want to see the other benchmark, ito na. Now, one thing na gusto ko rin dito sa kanya is that malaki ang kanyang battery at 7,500 mAh. Hindi ka talaga mabibitin dito sa Redmagic 11 Pro. In fact, pati sa charging, mabilis din siya at 80 watts. It also supports 80 watts na wireless charging, and it also has reverse wireless charging as well. It's one improvement from itong phone na ito, which on previous generation sa Redmagic 10 series, wala siyang wireless charging pa. I'm pretty sure sasabihin nyo, 8 Elite Gen 5, matakaw sa battery yan. Pero surprisingly guys, tumagal siya ng 1 whole day dito sa akin, and doing all of the regular tasks na ginagawa ko naman, it was able to withstand 1 whole day. And in fact, nakakuha ko ng 10 hours and 10 minutes na screen on time dito sa PC Mark na battery stress test. Now, pagdating sa display, it has a 6.85-inch na display. And it comes together with a new na BOE X10 na AMOLED screen. It's a technology to make it better and brighter under the direct sunlight. And meron din siya 1,800 nits na maximum brightness, 144 Hz na screen refresh rate, 360 na touch sampling rate, and 3000 Hz na instant touch sampling rate. Meron din siyang TUV rainland and SGS protection para sa inyong mata. Now, on the good side dito sa kanya is wala siyang punch hole. Now, I was able to enjoy tong phone na ito, and it was really, really good. Now, if you're scrolling through social media, expect to give you a really nice experience dahil it's supposed to do so. Kasi maganda naman yung screen. And kung nanood ka naman ng favorite videos mo dito, be it anime or K-drama, walang problema dito dahil it is one of the most immersive na experience na nakuha ko on a smartphone. One reason, buong-buo yung screen, walang punch hole. And by the way guys, yung harap niya is a Corning Gorilla Glass, likod niya is also a Corning Gorilla Glass, and yung kanyang side is aluminum frames. I'm not quite sure kung anong Corning Gorilla Glass. Based sa official spec sheets, wala siyang sinabi kung anong grade ng Corning Gorilla Glass. Now, since sinabi ni Redmagic na upgraded ang audio neto, meron siyang high fidelity speakers inside. And gusto ko lang i-try out kung gaano kaganda ito ng dual stereo speakers. Here's a sample. Honestly, very deep yung kanyang sound. Mafe-feel mo yung bass, mafe-feel mo rin yung other instrument. Naririnig mo ma-distinguish mo, no? If you're holding this phone versus other phones, I would say na yung sound niya is really deep and immersive. Kahit si Alger, feel na feel niya Now, before natin pag-usapan ng gaming dito sa phone nito, let's talk about yung kanyang bagong cooling system. Ang tawag na dito is the Aqua Core na cooling system na bagong invent ni Redmagic. This time around, sabi ni Redmagic, this has the industry's largest na vapor chamber, so meaning mas maganda ka ng heat dissipation compared sa ibang other smartphones. Meron din siya liquid metal 3.0 na nakapatong sa ibabaw ng vapor chamber. Ito yung nagtatransfer ng init from CPU to the vapor chamber para mabilis ma-dissipate ang init. And yung kanyang turbo fan dito is the industry's fastest na 24,000 RPM, and it's also waterproof. Industry's first din siya. Isipin mo, ang ganda ng mga ginagawa ni Redmagic. Talagang ine-enhance niya ng husto ang gaming experience mo dito on this phone. So, naglaro ako ng 5 games dito on this phone, playing Mobile Legends, Delta Force, Call of Duty Mobile, and Wuthering Waves, pati Genshin Impact. Now, pagdating sa Mobile Legends, okay, this is definitely mani-mani na lang sa kanya. I was able to achieve 120 FPS with no drops. Smooth na smooth ang gaming experience ko dito. And I would say na yung touch response niya is definitely fast. Wala akong magiging problema. Ganda ng screen. Buong-buo ang screen mo, no? So, the game is definitely very immersive. Probably one of the smoothest to ever run a ML game for me. Itong si Redmagic 11 Pro. Pagdating sa Delta Force, okay din siya. It was a good gameplay din. Playing for around an hour and a half dito, and I was able to achieve 120 FPS. Yung nga lang, pag nagka-clash, pansin ko, bumababa ang kanyang FPS counter down to 112. Pero most of the time, nagsistay naman siya sa 118 to 120. Pag heavy battle lang talaga, mapapansin mo na nagda-drop siya sa 112. Pero overall, ang gameplay niya is really smooth. Wala napansin masyado na lags dito, or siguro I would say na wala dahil siguro maganda naman ng 8 Elite Gen 5, dapat lang. So the gameplay dito is really solid, lalo ka ng sounds is pretty good. Pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, expect mo to one of the best one na magagamit mo ka ng shoulder triggers na 520Hz na touch sampling rate. And itong game na ito na talaga nag-enjoy ako. Was able to play around mga 2 hours non-stop. And sobrang nag-enjoy ako dito sa game na ito. Smooth 120 FPS, walang drops, and it's probably one of the best phone na kaya mag-handle ng Call of Duty Mobile at this level. And by the way guys, ang dami mo pwede kalikutin sa kanyang game space. You can calibrate yung kung ilan hertz. You can calibrate between rise, balance, or depende sa mode na gusto mo. Pwede mo turn on your fan, pwede ka mag-screen record, and you can also check the information of your gameplay. Pagdating sa Wuthering Wave, this is probably one of the hottest na inabot ko at 44 degrees Celsius among all of the games na nalaro ko. Achieving also 60 FPS without a frame drop. Sobrang immersive din ang game dito. Kahit mag-clash ka dito, maglabasan kayo ng mga special moves, walang problema. Wala akong napansin na frame drop din dito sa kanya. The gameplay is definitely good. The sound is good. Yung screen is definitely very responsive. And probably, ma-enjoy mo talaga tong game na ito if you're using the 11 Pro. Pati sa Genshin Impact, same said, umabot din ako ng 60 FPS dito sa kanya without feeling any frame drops. Sobrang goods ang gameplay ko dito. Kahit mag-heavy clash ka dito sa kanya, wala ka talaga mafe-feel na frame drops. And umabot ako ng 43 degrees Celsius dito sa kanya. And for the complete data ng 5 games na nilaro ko, eto na. Nang pag-usapan na natin ang camera, kahit hindi to strength ng Redmagic na phones, it has a 50MP na main camera and sensor which is a OV50E. Meron siyang 50MP na ultra-wide lens, plus a 2MP na depth sensor. Meron nga pala siyang OIS, and meron siyang APL-coated anti-glare na technology. Ang kanyang front camera, 16MP, and can shoot you up to 1080p and 30 FPS, and yung kanyang likod can shoot you up to 8K and 30. Now, simulan na natin ang ating camera analysis ng Redmagic 11 Pro with some outdoor shot. Now, taking a look at some of the greens na na-captured natin, I would say na pretty not bad ang mga photos na na-captured natin. Nung pansin ko, no, it's a little bit overexposed, siguro due to the harsh sunlight, pero yung mga greens na nakikita ko, it's quite a bit natural yung kanyang datingan. Hindi masyado sinasaturate ni Redmagic ng mga greens and it looks quite good. Pag kumukuha ka ng mga flower shot like this one, very nice. Makita mo yung background blur is pretty good and solid. On some shots like this one, makita mo kahit medyo gloomy kunti ang sky, there's some cloud details pa na makakapture ka. And when you're trying to play with the ultra-wide lens, this is how it looks like. And you can zoom all the way to 10 times zoom, though it's quite pixelated na after 10 times zooming. So, some things that's missing dito is wala siyang digitally zoom, hindi niya ine-enhance via AI. Na pumasok ka naman on indoor, trying to take some food photography, okay naman siya, no? Pero one thing na napansin ko under the yellow halogen bulb, mapapansin mo na medyo naninilaw mga photos, pero on regular lightings, okay naman siya. Makita mo naman dito sa mga shots ko, looking quite good ang food photography, except under the yellow halogen bulb. Now, if you're trying product photography, this one can get you some really nice product shot and quite good and vibrant naman mga colors na makaka-capture mo dito sa camera ni Redmagic 11 Pro. Mga stuff does, mukhang okay siya, no? Well, honestly, maganda naman camera ni Redmagic 11 Pro, except that on some occasion lang medyo pag yellow ang ilaw, medyo naninilaw din siya. Yun ang one thing na napansin ko dito sa kanya. But on some of these shots na nakuha ko, basta sabi ko sila guys, pretty nice and solid nga talaga ang kanyang camera. Now, one thing na hindi masyado nag-improve dito sa kanya is sa kanyang front-facing camera. Well, honestly, it's due to yung kanyang under-display na camera. Kaya medyo ganun pa rin ang quality niya. Medyo a little bit blurred, hazy ang datingan niya. And I can't blame it kasi si Redmagic is more of all about the overall experience mo sa gaming dito sa phone. So medyo sinasacrifice niya yung kanyang selfie camera dito. And honestly, most gamers doesn't really care about the front-facing camera performance. But on some good lighting naman, on outdoor, medyo matino naman makaka-capture mo dito sa kanya. And this is a sample ng kanyang front-facing camera video. Guys, this is the performance ng front-facing camera ni Redmagic 11 Pro. And still, shooting at 1080p and 30 FPS, under display camera, still a bit hazy pag tinitingnan mo yung mga background mo. Medyo blurry pa rin. So, yeah, downside ng isang under display camera. Ito naman sa kanyang rear. Ito naman ang performance niya if you're shooting at 4K and 60 using its rear camera. Honestly, magandang quality, smooth na smooth, and yeah, you'll be able to capture some really nice images. Ano masasabi niyo guys? Now, with a phone this good, it's really hard not to recommend the Redmagic 11 Pro. I'm not quite sure kung ano maging base price nito, so hopefully it's going to run out mga 40,000+ pesos. And mind you guys, no, every year na naglalabas ng bago si Redmagic, it gets better and better. This time around, better ang kanyang cooling technology, plus, of course, equipping the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon na flagship chip. This phone is definitely a beast for 2025. Honestly, hindi ko na masyado narinig pinapag-uusapan si ROG dahil siguro sa kanyang presyo, and they tried to be the iPhone ng gaming industry, pero I think masyado lang siyang OA ang kanyang presyo pagdating sa gaming phones. This is definitely the sweet spot, si Redmagic. Now, with a phone this good, would this be your next gaming phone? Let me know in the comments kung interested kayo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito. I'll post the link on the description box below once na na-update ang mga price nito phone na ito and naging available here in the Philippines. Pero as of now, it's still global launching. Wala pa akong balita here sa ating bansa. So kung meron ka mga friends na naghahanap ng good gaming phone just like this one, share nito video na ito. And of course, in-encourage ko kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel so you don't miss out any good ones like this one. So paano yan? Hanggang dito muna ako. I'll see you when you see me. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.